Hello, today I'm at my mom's cottage, and there's a special reason for that. 2 weeks ago, my brother turned 14 and he's got his first passport. Passport here is a mandatory identity document. Upon reaching the age of 20 and 45, it must be replaced. Well, you grow older, your face changes. No one stays young forever, except Jared Leto. Apple tree is in bloom. It was planted by my father many years ago. Do you see a frog there? Water skaters? There are also some weird things on the bottom. We've been arguing with my brother what it might be. They look like algae, or algae as British say. But they have legs, for heaven's sake, and they move. Our neighbors are funny guys. On weekends, they have fun, drink alcohol and stuff, and they hoist the pirate's flag. I think it's really witty. Ah, there he is. You know what he's doing there? He's eating sorrel. Mom's flowers. Took me forever to dig that huge flower bed. Now my stepdad is showing how to cook chinahi, a traditional Georgian dish with potatoes, tomatoes, eggplants, garlic, greens, and lamb, mutton, beef, or any other meat you like. You can cook it in a casserole dish or a saucepan or a kazan. First layer is meat, then you add pepper, salt, then a layer of onions, and as you can see, a layer of eggplants. Then a layer of potatoes. I don't know how many potatoes you would need, judging by that saucepan, a lot. Next you add a layer of tomatoes. You can season each layer with salt and pepper. He didn't, and I have no idea, I can't cook. You can use any variety of mixed chopped herbs. Parsley, basil, well, you know. Oh yeah, then you pour water and cover it with a lid. And then 2 hours later you get this. Smells so good. This dish can be consumed both hot and cold, but I like it hot. Yummy. Russian people love shashlik, a dish of grilled cubes of meat. It's made of pork, beef, or lamb. Before grilling, meat is marinated in an acid liquid, typically based on vinegar, wine, or lemon. My stepdad's marinade consists of mayo, vinegar, onions, some spices, and maybe something else I forgot to ask. But marinade by itself smells wonderful. Oh, here we go! Smells delicious. And this is our small table. Hi, thanks for watching this video. Unfortunately, YouTube is a very cruel organization that doesn't encourage and doesn't reward small channels. Therefore, I have no ads, but if you want to support my channel and if you like what I do, there is a BTC wallet for donations in description. Thank you and stay curious.